Welcome, friends, to our Car Connection YouTube channel. I'm Niall Motormouth Jenkins, host of our channel and the car guy for well over 4 decades. And I welcome you to our channel. And I just wanted to take a few moments just to allow you to get to know me a little bit. For some of you I know, and some of you I don't know. But thank you for those who have subscribed and giving us a thumbs up, a like, and a share, and a follow, and ringing the notification bell so that you're notified when we upload new videos. Our schedule for new video uploads is Tuesday and Friday, and that seems to be working for everyone at this point, so we'll continue to do that. I just wanted to talk about my background a little bit. My parents never really took me to the zoo. Oh, that's a different discussion for another time. No, from the age of about 13, I got involved with auto mechanics through my pops and changed my first engine with my dad in a barn in the middle of nowhere, freezing cold, in Bimbrook, Ontario. Why do I remember that? Because I just remember how freezing cold I was at 13 years of age. But that was when I got the bug. I knew I wanted to be an automotive service technician, and that's what I worked towards. And I didn't get my grade 12 education, but I did finish grade 11, and I had a company that wanted to hire me and sign me on as an apprentice, and they couldn't wait one more year for me. And at that time, I only needed grade 11 to get into Mohawk College for the MVM course, which is at that time motor vehicle mechanics. So I graduated my automotive technician certificate, and my apprenticeship finished up at Mohawk College. What a great college it was. I learned a lot. I had some great bosses along the way, some wonderful hard bosses they saw more in me than I saw in myself, and they pushed me really, really hard. And here, 4 decades later, I still enjoy working on automobiles. Been on radio with our own car show called Car Connection for 30 years now. We're in our 30th year. And you can catch us on Joy Radio, AM 1250 on Saturday afternoons at 2 p.m. And stop by and try your skill set at What's That Sound? Name the automotive sound and win a prize with us on our afternoon show. But who'd have thought that here we are almost 40 years later, I'm still fixing stuff, and our YouTube channel is not about building hot rods and custom muscle cars and monster trucks and rock crawlers. What I've done with radio over the last 30 years is I've answered a lot of questions for men and women. You call in with a car question and I can field that for you. And sometimes I'm even able to refer you to a business that will take care of that job for you, and I'm able to vet them through our Car Connection Business Network.com website. So where do I go from there? Well, what I've done is I've decided that instead of just being audio, we are now audio and visual with our YouTube channel. So now you can see me working on different vehicles, but I'll tell you this. Whether you know a little or you know absolutely nothing about an automobile and how it works, you will get tips that will stay with you from each video. You'll learn all the basics. It doesn't matter whether the vehicle's 15, 20 years old or 20 days old. The basics never change. It needs a fuel to run. It needs oxygen to run. It has wheels, it has steering, it has brakes, it has exhaust, it has fluids, filters, belts, hoses, lights, accessories. The basics never change, no matter what you're driving. So if you want to learn some of the basics and arm yourself with some knowledge so that when you, especially the ladies, I'm talking to you ladies, it's a jungle out there in the automotive service and repair industry. And some fellers look for ladies that come in that don't know anything about their automobile, and they can sell you just about anything. Well, if you plug into our Car Connection YouTube channel and you watch every single video, you're going to learn what's an oil pan, what's a valve cover, what's underneath that valve cover, where are all the fluids on my vehicle, oil, brake fluid, washer fluid, transmission fluid. Do I have a transmission? Where is it? What does it look like? Well, I drive a manual transmission. Well, what does the clutch look like? How does it work? How do I take care of it? You'll learn all the basics you need to be able to walk into a service department, ladies or gentlemen, armed with information. Information. And that's what I've designed the channel to be. Every repair that we do here in the Car Connection workshop is recorded, and I've dumbed it down so that you can see every component as I'm working on it, explain what it is, what it does, when does it need service, what happens if it breaks, what causes it to break. You'll have all that working knowledge so that next time you go to the service department and the guy's telling you you need a head gasket or you need a motor or your front end is falling apart, is it really? Then you'll be able to ask questions. How so? Can you show me? Can you explain to me why it's broken? How did it get broken? You'll have that knowledge to help you and prevent you from getting ripped off. Because there's a lot of that going on. Not to say every shop is the same, but I've been in this trade long enough, even some of my own family, to call me and say, I had the car in, they're telling me this. And I will tell them, you need to ask this, this, and this, and listen. So come by often to visit us at Niall Motormouth Jenkins, our YouTube channel. Be sure to like, share, follow, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you get notified when new videos pop up. And they're uploaded twice a week, again, Tuesdays and Fridays. And if there's anything you'd like me specifically to cover, hey, just drop me a comment. I read all the comments and I reply to the comments on our YouTube channel because you're important to me. I've been on radio for 30 years, not for myself. I'm a fully licensed and qualified auto technician. I've been blessed to have been able to work with some amazing companies, Peterbilt, Mack Trucks, Volkswagen, and a number of others. And I've had some amazing instructors, and I wouldn't be who I am and have the knowledge I have today if it weren't for them carving me out and being the potter, so to speak, modeling the clay. And I give them all the kudos for pushing me hard to be the best automotive service technician I can be. So our channel is a mirror image of what I've been doing on the radio for 30 years, is sharing my skills, my knowledge, my expertise. And I don't know everything. I'm not a big shot. I'm just a little shot that just keeps shooting. And I'm here for you, to help you to get and know and understand your automobile so that you're prepared when you take it to the service center, that you will not be taken advantage of, because you'll know stuff. You will then know stuff. So till next time, come back and see us again in the Car Connection workshop, and we'll save you a seat.